In this video, we are going to evaluate this integral. Then how to solve it? First, we are going to separate this integral into two parts. So let's see the first part. Here's the upper bound. So we are going to separate from here. So then here's the first part. Sine x over 1 plus x to the fourth. Then the second part. So second part, that will be the integral of constant 1. So here we have just dx. Now let's take a close look at the first integral. So first, x to the fourth is an even function. Then sine x is an odd function. So the overall is an odd function. Then let's take a look at the lower bound and upper bound. So then we notice they have the same numerical value, but different signs. So that means this interval is symmetric above 0. So then the integral of the odd function over the intervals symmetric above 0 is 0. So that's why the first integral just equals 0. Then for this integral of a constant 1, then just upper bound minus lower bound. Okay, so here's a upper bound and minus the lower bound. Then continue to simplify. Then we have a pi square root 2. That is the answer for this question. Thanks for watching. See you next time.